Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great. In my previous video, I had unboxed these Hoya plants that you can see on the screen. So in today's video, I'll show you how I have repotted them. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and don't forget to hit like if you find this video useful. So for potting mix, I'm using coco peat, vermicompost, single superphosphate and a few chunks of charcoal. And I'll mix all these together to prepare the potting mix for Hoya. Hoya plants need a well draining, organic material rich potting media, but they do not really do well in soil, because if you look at their natural physiology, Hoya plants are much like orchids. They are epiphytes, so they often do by clinging onto trees without deriving nutrition from the host plants. So putting them in soil will only harm them, because they can be infected by different types of pathogens. So as you can see, the seller has sent in the Hoya plants in a mixture containing just coconut husk chips. I will try and avoid coconut husk chips entirely. I mean, I'll just use a portion of it. I'll not pot the plant entirely in cocoa husk, because in Kolkata's humid weather, coconut husk degrades very easily and it is prone to a lot of fungus. I have added charcoal in my media so that the fungus issue can be tackled, and I have added vermicompost so that the organic material can be supplied to the plant for nutrition. Coco peat in my media will help in moisture retention in the media, and after all, single superphosphate is beneficial for the overall growth of plants. So I will take a few cocoa husk chip chunks and chop it up and add to my media. Okay, not too much, do not overdo this step. However, if your weather is dry, if you're watching from a place where the weather is on the drier side and not humid side like that of Delhi, you can definitely add more percentage of coconut chips. You know, the potting mix really varies based on your local climatic conditions. It's not one size fits all. So I'll just chop up the cocoa husk chips to make the potting media uniform. I don't want any large chunks of cocoa media. So first what I'm doing is I'm putting some charcoal chunks at the bottom of the pot to ensure good drainage. Then I'm filling the pot halfway through with my prepared potting mix, placing the plant right in the center of the pot and then covering the plant with the rest of my media. I'll just leave ½ inch of space from the top to prevent spillage of the media when I water the plant. This is just about it. It's not rocket science. It's very easy, and always start with a small pot when you are repotting some plant. So this is what the plant looks like. It's well gripped and firm in its pot, and I have planted or repotted the other Hoyas the same way I showed you, and I have watered the plants after repotting thoroughly, and the water has trickled down out of the drainage holes. Now I will place these plants in the same place where I put my orchids, and they love bright shade. They do well as a house plant near a brightly lit, indirectly lit window, but they will not be able to survive in direct sunlight. I hope you loved my tutorial. Don't forget to comment below, and thanks for watching.